Hi, it's Jacqueline with wildheartdailypay.com, and I just wanted to visit with you today about how to take the online blueprint that we have, how to put your business on autopilot with that. So wanted to go over that with you today and just give you the information that has helped our family and is continuing to help our family. And I want to make sure you get that little bit of outlet so you can see exactly what it is, the step-by-step system that is working for us and how that can work for you. So what you're going to do is we give you the information on how to create that blueprint, right? So you're just going to go to, let's go right here. Whenever you go here, you go through the automations. And so you automatically go to our welcome email. You automatically go to, our how-to email on how exactly to do that. And then you get the opportunity and the choice to move on from there. Now, what is really great is once you move on from there, then you automatically have access to not only this system, which is a digital growth community, and you're going to have access to all of these resources, all the way from mindset training to look at all the content that we will give you in our content vault. You'll have 90-day success prints, which we're in right now. You have different things. And as new stuff is released, you get access to each of this. Now, that's not the only thing. You have an entire community of people with 31,000 people in it and growing. So by the time you read this, I would guarantee it's going to be even more than that. Okay. Or I watch this, not read it. So then I want you to see also, once you do that, you'll move over here and we're going to teach you how to create your content based off of your perfect customer. So storytelling, and that just means like telling your story. So your story is going to relate to your personal customer, like my story is going to relate to my perfect customer. That's going to allow you to connect emotionally, to be able to share your content in an ethically, integrity, and a way that makes you feel good and also helps your customer feel good. So we teach you that. We give you an opportunity to create your strong brand identity. There's so many things and so many platforms. So just want to make sure you see that first and foremost so you can see exactly what that looks like for you. Also, so once you start and you set up, you're going to get a welcome email. In that welcome email, you're going to have the access to be able to get your $29 website. And that's step one. Once you have that, you have access to the opportunity to move forward and have your entire automation set up for you, your entire system set up for you. It's step by step from there, and you're just plugging in your information into an already done for you system. So pretty cool. All right. And then also, I want to mention that you have access to start earning that daily pay. And it took us about less than 48 hours to get that all set up personally. So we wanted to make that simple for you, and you get that step-by-step system as well. So with that, you're learning and you're earning as you have that content and as you're moving forward. So let me just show you one over here. So on here, whenever you're going here, you have access to all of these products here as well. So I showed you over here where you have access to your classroom, and let me make sure. Yeah. Okay. So you have access to your classroom over here with all these different things. And let's just click on one. Let's just click on one. Let's do social media training. That's pretty big. Okay, look at all these. You get access to all the different content on here. Then over here, you have access in the Legacy Builders program is going to give you full access to everything, okay? So when you're moving through here, and I know I've showed you some of these things if you've seen some previous videos, but I just want to click on one and let you see what that looks like. So let's go to, for instance, okay, so whenever you click on your set up your TikTok, you're going to get a video. It's going to teach you things in there. Sometimes if we have PDFs and things, we'll put them down here. And that way you have something to go with it. You can print that out and follow along, or you can keep it for further use so you know exactly how to move forward from that. So that's pretty cool. We like to make sure you have all the information you need. Now, here's the deal. Our goal this next year is to help 1,000 people be able to create a daily income stream of $300 a day. That means that's $109,000 a year. And our goal is to be able to make that a successful sprint for you so you can do that for your family and you can be able to see what we have for you, and you can see what you're doing for yourself and believing in yourself and just, fulfilling those dreams that you have of helping your family create an online income and make that daily pay. So that is one of our goals, and we want to be able to help you do this. So if you have questions, first you're going to go to wildheartdailypay.com. You're going to enter in your email. If you have already done that, then you're already halfway there. From there, there is an email that is sent to you, and you can reply to me with any information that you might need, anything else that you might feel like you're missing, just something of it. I want to be able to help you with that. I want to be able to give you that. So that is so simple. If you have already been receiving these emails, you know exactly what to do. At the bottom of each email, I always give you a Go Here link. You would click on that Go Here and you start your journey and you start making that daily pay. So I'm believing in you. I hope you're believing in yourself. And I cannot wait to see exactly how far we can go this year together.